This Étude is often mistaken for a wild sprint. And don't get me wrong, it is impressive if one can play it very quickly and without mistakes. But Chopin didn't write a sprint nor a musical mess. He wrote a drama, a storm, yes, but every bolt of lightning is placed with precision and emotion. The rhythm must be ironclad, no dragging, no rushing for technical sake. But do take your time when it's musically needed. Some of the climaxes need to be musically prepared by finding the right balance between technical skill and emotional meaning. Play with super precision, but at the same time with warm and full sound. Every note must be clear, especially the left hand. It's easy to smear in the speed. Don't hide behind the pedal. Let your technique speak, but let it serve the drama. This Étude is a mind game. You have to think fast with clarity and control. It's a technical exercise in the end. Don't let passion override intellect fully. Find the right balance between drama, precision, and passion. Even at full speed, this piece must breathe. Shape the phrases. Build toward the climaxes. Don't just survive the tempo, make it expressive and deliver the drama to the public. In order to find the right balance, practice the left hand phrasing and the right hand small notes separately. When you combine them, make sure that the phrasing speaks and the right hand shines. This Étude asks for fire, drama and passion, but delivered with absolute control. Play it like a storm, guided by intelligence. If you stay centered in the whirlwind, you'll reveal the brilliance and touch people's nervous systems. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos about music, piano, interpretation, emotion, and everything that makes music great and human. Please subscribe, like, and press the bell button to stay up to date. See you soon and have an awesome day.